Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite outdoor hats. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I want to show you this hat. Actually, it's from a brand that I have bought from before. It's called Headsweats. A very apt name. And for some of us who sweat, you know, our sweat glands are mature, and it's nice to have a good, comfortable hat that also collects the sweat, and that's what I really love about them. So the Headsweats headband visors that I first got were so remarkable. You know, when you're out playing sports, playing little tennis, a little golf, hiking, walking, working outside, whatever, I realized that I didn't have any of the sweat dripping down into my eyes. And that's where I realized that basically Headsweats makes headgear that is a sweatband first and a hat second, and they're great hats. So I picked this up because it's a boonie hat, and what I really like about this is they protect your ears and your neck from getting sunburn, and you can just go hiking and walk around in them, and in the summer it's just a really great type of hat to have. But on top of that, this one has a very light fabric at the top here. It is kind of very, very thin. I am sure this is going to breathe very, very well. There's also this little strap around the back here, so you can actually pull this drawstring too to tighten it up, which is great, and that makes a lot of sense as a headband. And you can see here on the inside, what we have is just that Headsweats material. I'm not even sure what this is made out of, but it really works well. And then the brim is a little bit kind of stiffer, just a little bit. And then we also have a chin strap here, so it won't blow away in high winds. So I just want to put it on here. Yeah, makes it look like Gilligan. And I'll show you that basically what I can do is just tighten this bad boy down, and then I can tighten it around my head as well. Now, I certainly make this look good, but what I wanted to demonstrate here is that it doesn't really feel like sweatband material, but how much moisture will this hat soak up? And because they seem to work so well, despite the fact that it doesn't really seem like a really thick terry cloth material, I wanted to figure out how much moisture it actually soaks up. So, just filled up this glass here, and I'm just gonna dip this sucker in here and see how much water I can get this bad boy to soak up. All right, it's in there. And I just pull this thing out. Look at that, look how much water it soaked up. Now some of it's dripping out here, but this is the point of this little bad boy, is that it just soaks up the water. Now it's not dripping at all, and look how much moisture it soaked up. So that's the advantage of Headsweats, is that you get a great hat. Protect yourself, keep the sun off, keep the rain off. But if you're doing something strenuous and you're sweating, this is a great way to make sure that it stays out of your eyes. Hey, I'll put a link to this in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.